Welcome back people, today we'll be unboxing the ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482. If you haven't, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow our channel please. Let's cut to the chase. The ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482 is a refined second generation version of the original ZenBook Duo that debuted at Computex 2019. This second generation version of the ZenBook Duo primarily features upgrades in the form of an 11th gen Intel Core processor aka Tiger Lake, subtle reforms to the design all around, as well as changes to the ports to make it more practical. Bundled with the laptop are a bunch of interesting accessories. You get the aforementioned laptop sleeve made of foul leather. Once you crack the case open, you are greeted by the laptop itself covered in a protective plastic sleeve. You will also notice that it comes with a USB charger, and this laptop is charged by its Thunderbolt 4 ports, of which it has 2. It also comes with a very interesting laptop stand to complement the laptop sleeve and the ZenBook Duo itself. You also get a stylus to go with it too. The ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482 features a metal top lid and underside in keeping with the ZenBook series' emphasis on premium design and quality. The design also features ASUS's patented ErgoLift hinge that lifts the laptop slightly above for better ventilation and a better typing angle. Up top, you see the 14-inch Full HD display that's color calibrated, as well as the 12.6-inch ScreenPad Plus perched just below it. Both are touch capable and also work well with the stylus. This laptop itself is primarily designed for content creators and creatives who need more screen real estate space, which is why they've added the secondary ScreenPad. Portability is decent as well, as the laptop weighs 1.6 kilos while featuring a relatively generous array of ports. You get 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, you have a single USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, you have a standard HDMI port, you have an audio combo jack, and a microSD card reader. Configurations vary by region and market, but if you dial everything to 11, you can equip it with up to an i7-1165G7 processor with Iris SE graphics, up to 32GB of RAM, a 1TB solid-state drive, and optional NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphics. The ScreenPad Plus here is the real game changer because it lets you drag items from the top screen to the bottom, back and forth, so you can expand the screen real estate as needed for whatever you're working on, or you can use it to multitask, as we can see here, where we are actually playing a game, watching YouTube, and browsing the web, all on one laptop. Now that is some serious multitasking. You can also use it to put dedicated shortcuts and toolbars for certain apps like Premiere Pro. At present, there's no official price or what configuration will arrive in Malaysia, but as far as this first impression is concerned, it looks very promising indeed. And once we get news, we'll let you know. Thanks for watching.